In this video, I'm going to explain how to draw the transverse common tangent to the two given circles. Here you can see the two given circles, center O1 and O2, the radius 4 centimeter, radius 3 centimeter. First of all, you have to join these O1 and O2. Then you have to draw a circle by taking the radius as R1 plus R2, 7 centimeter. Then next you have to bisect this O1 and O2. Bisect O1 and O2. This is the middle point. Then draw a circle by taking this point as center point and radius as distance half of this O1 and O2. Then take this intersection point, this one. Then draw a line O2 by connecting O2 and this intersection point. The next step, you have to draw the parallel line to this drew line passing through the O1 point. Here I am going to use the two set square. Keep one set square aligned with this line like this. Keep other one like this. Then slide this set square up to O1 point by holding the bottom set square. Draw a line. This is one of the tangent point, then other tangent point. Then let's join these 2 points. This is the transverse common to the two given circles. Let me explain how it become tangent. In here O1 O2, here this is the semicircle. O1 O2 is the diameter of this semicircle. Then you can see, if we take this if we join these 2 points, this is 90 degree. You can see the diameter subtended 90 degree at the circumference. Here if you take the O1 O2 is the diameter of a semicircle, it's subtended 90 degree at the circumference. Then you can see this length is equal to R1 plus R2. Then this length is equal to R2. So this length is equal to R1. Then you can see this line is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line. So that this one also should be 90 degree. So this one is R1. This one is R1. This one also, this is a rectangle, so this one is a 90 degree. This one also a 90 degree. You can see this radial line makes the 90 degree with this line. So that is become the common tangent to the both the circle. Thank you. See you next video.